I'm tempted to take the position since the price has closed above 21,400. It closed at 21,415, and looks like price is still moving high. Welcome back to Forex Minds Hub. If you enjoy live trading insights, strategies, and lessons learned, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Today's session was all about staying flexible, managing emotions, and sticking to my plan. Let's take a quick look. So first one is like I entered a trade on RSI divergence but exited quickly when the market shifted by minimizing my loss. Second was stayed adaptable and avoided mental bias by being open to both buy and sell opportunities. Third one was ChatGPT explained three-step process to confirm RSI divergence as a valid entry signal. Fourth was managed emotional temptations to take impulsive trades thanks to ChatGPT's guidance. So, what was the main key takeaway? It was protecting capital is always more important than chasing profits. So, what would you have done in this situation? Please let me know in the comments below. Now, let's jump into the live session recording and see how I managed the challenges and stayed disciplined. So, it looks like bearish divergence is confirming. So after this candle closes, I will take a sell position because RSI is below 50 and candles are below EMA 8.
Order filled.
So I'm taking a sell position here since candle is below EMA 8 and RSI is below 50.
Got it. You're following your plan perfectly. Are you targeting a specific level for take profit or planning to adjust as the trade develops?
Probably next target will be like logical will be 21,300. But I will keep an eye. Currently, my ATP is set to 21,287.
That makes sense.
And I'm going to add a
The
second.
21,300 level is a solid logical target, and setting the ATP to 21,287 gives some cushion for price fluctuations. Stay patient and let the trade play out. Got it. That sounds like a thoughtful approach, letting the trade develop before adjusting your stop loss. Adding a second position at $21,325 could enhance your profit potential if the market moves in your favor.
I have set up a partial profit
Gotcha.
to close 3 contracts.
Are you seeing any strong wicks or signs of rejection that might hint at hesitation in the move?
It looks like it is reversing. ES is reversing from EMA 21 right now, but we'll keep an eye because right now RSI, yeah, RSI is also a little bit above 50 level, but I'm keeping an eye. Looks like we may have to close this trade. Like if this candle closes as a strong bullish, then I may have to close this trade. Candle close as bullish. So I'm thinking about closing this trade because RSI is also above 50.
Closing the trade sounds like the right decision given the strong bullish close and RSI moving above 50.
Yep.
Protecting your capital and
Order
sticking to your
filled.
rules shows great discipline. It's great that you're staying flexible and letting the market confirm the direction. Keeping both scenarios in mind, support holding for a bullish move or breaking for a bearish continuation is a smart way to approach it.
So market is bullish, and it is currently at 21,400 level. So right over there is the day high.
Got it? The market is bullish and testing the 21,400 level, which is the current day high. That's a critical resistance area to watch. Are you planning to wait for a breakout and retest for a continuation trade? Or are you looking for signs of rejection for a potential reversal?
Actually looking for both. So it will be definitely break and retest or looking for divergence.
That's a smart approach. Keeping an eye on both scenarios ensures you're ready for whatever the market offers. If it breaks and retests, you'll have a clear continuation setup. If you spot divergence, it could be a solid reversal opportunity.
So I do see divergence on RSI level, so there's a clear sign of divergence. But how do we make sure that that's a right time to enter?
A clear divergence on RSI is a strong signal, but timing the entry is key to avoid premature moves. Here's how you can confirm the right time to enter. 1. Wait for candle confirmation. Look for a bearish or bullish candle, depending on the direction, to close, aligning with the divergence. This confirms the momentum shift. 2. Check key levels. Ensure the price is near a significant resistance for bearish divergence or support for bullish divergence level to strengthen the setup. 3. Monitor RSI behavior. Confirm that RSI is moving in the expected direction, below 50 for bearish setups or above 50 for bullish setups. For correlation with ES, make sure ES is also showing a similar pattern, divergence or confirmation candle, to align the trade. That's a smart call. Waiting for RSI to close below 50 will add more confirmation to the bearish setup. Patience here ensures you're aligning with the momentum shift, rather than jumping in too early. Keep watching for a strong bearish candle close along with RSI dropping below 50.
So price has closed above 400 level, 21,400.
With the price closing above the 21,400 level, it seems like the bullish momentum is holding strong for now. This could indicate a breakout rather than a reversal, so it's wise to reassess. Are you planning to look for a retest of 21,400 as support for a potential continuation trade, or still observing for divergence signs?
Yeah, probably I'll be looking for like a bullish continuation.
If the price has closed above 21,400, watching for a retest of that level as support could offer a strong bullish continuation setup. Ensure RSI remains above 50 and moving averages are aligned for confirmation. Are you planning to enter immediately on the retest or wait for a clear bullish candle to confirm the move?
Yeah, I will wait for confirmation. So let me ask you, even though right now I'm tempted to take the position since the price has closed above 21,400, it closed at 21,415, and looks like price is still moving high. So I am tempted to enter into this position, but I know I should not, right?
You're absolutely right. You should stick to your plan and wait for confirmation, even though the temptation is strong. Here's why holding back is the smarter move. 1. Risk of false breakout. Sometimes prices can spike above a key level like 21,400, but fail to hold. Waiting ensures you're not caught in a fake move. 2. Confirmation adds confidence. A clear bullish candle after a retest at 21,400 will validate the momentum, giving you a better entry with reduced risk. 3. Avoid emotional trades. Entering based on temptation rather than your system can lead to inconsistent results, and you've been doing an excellent job following your rules. It's tough to sit out when you see price moving, but staying disciplined will always pay off in the long run.
Hey viewers, I just noticed my recording was paused. So as I was discussing with ChatGPT, so here was our plan to wait for the retest of 21,400 area and then enter into a position. So I took the position after this candle and I closed it at 450 area, around that area. I closed it successfully. So it worked. So basically, just to prove that, like, yeah, definitely a trading partner like as ChatGPT, it really works. Thanks for watching.